Good morning! Welcome to my day 39 Jumping Jack Challenge for 45 days. Malapit na. Ari ka mo sa atubang sang amon nga balay. Si ate, naga, paliligay. So, ano na kita, aka namin isang hangin, daw ka tugnaw magpaligo. Pero before kita baligo, mapabulubalas kita na gamay, okay? Alright. Okay, let's do the 100 jumping jacks. 39 days na kita. Alright? Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 6, 7, 68, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. Okay? Woo! Nami lang, nami. Okay. May pamana natin sa amo niyo. Okay? Pamanan ta lang. O kaya pa natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Magkaya ka, Nay. Aba lang to kaya, nagkaka-ano na. Okay? Bye! Good morning! Woo!